Photos and videos. Your camera roll is a digital black hole. One photo? Fine. A dozen angles of your lunch? That's gigabytes. And let's not forget video. A 30-second 4K clip eats more space than your entire music library. Phones these days shoot in HDR, high frame rate, cinematic mode. All sounds cool until your storage screams for help. You might not even post most of them. But deleting? That's emotional labor, so they just sit there, taking up space, silently judging you. Apps you don't use, but still installed. You downloaded that meditation app during a stressful week in 2022 and never opened it again. But it's still here, taking up space, sending you notifications like it's part of your life. And it's not alone. Fitness apps, random games, 2 weather apps because you forgot the first one exists. Each app may only take a few hundred megabytes, but together, they pile up. And worse, many store their own offline content and temporary files you don't even see. You don't use them, but your phone still treats them like honored guests. Hidden app cache. You think you're saving space by not downloading videos. But your apps? They have other plans. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They quietly store everything you scroll through. That one cat video you watched twice? It's still hiding in your cache. Every image, every reel, every auto-played clip, saved in the background just in case. And this cache grows. 5 gigs here, 2 gigs there. Suddenly, you're wondering where all your storage went. You don't see it, you didn't ask for it, but your phone's acting like a digital hoarder. Downloads and screenshots. Your phone is full of files you forgot you saved. That PDF from last year's dentist appointment? Still there. Recipe screenshots, flight confirmations, memes. So many memes. And let's talk about screenshots. You take them constantly. To remember, to share, to look at later. But later never comes. Now you've got a folder of mystery images, most of which make no sense without context. And every time you get a WhatsApp file or a WeTransfer link, boom, another megabyte gone. You don't remember downloading it, but your phone never forgets. System and other. You check your storage, and there it is. A mysterious gray bar called System and Other. No explanation, no breakdown, just vibes, and 15 gigabytes gone. Part of it is legit. Your operating system, updates, fonts, core apps. But the rest? Nobody knows, not even your phone. It could be temporary files that never went away, old app data, ghosts of deleted messages, a digital junk drawer, locked and without a key. You can't clear it, you can't see it, and yet, somehow, it keeps growing. Backups and duplicates. Your phone says, "Don't worry, I've backed everything up." But what it means is, I made 3 copies of the same thing, just in case. Cloud syncs, chat backups, photo libraries, all overlapping, all chewing through space. You delete a file and somehow, it's still here, twice, in different folders, on different apps. Some files are stored locally and in the cloud. Some are auto-downloaded when you open a message. And don't even ask about WhatsApp voice notes. They multiply like rabbits. Backups are supposed to bring peace of mind. Instead, they bring gigabytes of confusion.